to day 29 of Strongest 75. If you have not watched days 1 through 28, please go back and watch them. We're on day 29, but we have 75 days total. So there's so many more things that we got to go over. We really literally just got done with actually doing disputes, talking about how to deal with collections right now, and then going forward for the future. Y'all know exactly how to deal with them in the future. We just went over late payments, and now we're finally in utilization, actually paying down these credit cards, making sure our utilization is low. Please go back and watch it, okay? For the people that's actually here for day 29, I am so happy that we are over those late payments. We have been going over, like, you know, how I've been recording these videos. I've been like, for me to stay persistent, I like, let me record 7 of them in a day. Let's go over these topics. So to talk about the same thing like that over and over again, it kind of feel like, okay, I'm over it, y'all. I think y'all get it, but I just want to make sure that you guys are getting a full topic. I want to talk about it from different angles. So now we're going to talk about utilization. We're going to probably be in utilization for about like another week now. So we got 1, 2. Actually, we're not talking about utilization too much. We're going to talk about it for a few pages. And then we're going to start getting into other topics, which is the juicy part, because it's like different things. We talk about authorized user. We talking about the 15th of the month strategy. We talking about different things. So make sure you guys actually have your workbook. It's structured where literally you're going down a path to get your credit score better. Okay. And then I'll make sure I link the 3-book bundle down below. It will come with your Strongest 75 workbook. It'll also come with your Raise Your Credit Score 100 points in 30 days. And then your Suing to Win book. So you'll get all 3 books in that bundle. They should be in stock by the time you watch these, this video. Hopefully I don't sell out. Well, I want to say that I like to sell out, but hopefully they'll still be in stock. If for some reason they are sold out, make sure you leave me a comment. I'll let you know when they're back in stock. So I don't want to say I want to sell out. Who wouldn't want to sell out? But still, hopefully you guys will be able to get a copy of it. I want to make sure I just always have an endless supply for you all. That's my goal, so that you guys can always have it. All right, and make sure you guys take full advantage of that course too. So that course is going to be really nice for you guys, where you're going to get all the documents. And for the people that do the 6 months of letters, before we even get into utilization, once you do the 6 months of letters, you actually get an additional course for free. That's where you got a lot of like the better things. Like you have a utilization tracker. So if you actually get inside the course, you'll see me talking about a utilization tracker. That's how you can get it without having to pay for it at all. Okay, so the people that do the 6 months of letters, I put you inside an additional course because I know if you're doing that, I want to make everything easy for you. Okay, so make sure you guys do the 6 months of letters, get your books, and let's get into this utilization. Now, when it comes down to utilization, don't forget it's 30% of your credit score, like literally 30%. We talked about payment history is 35%. 30% of your credit score is going to be your actual utilization. So you want to make sure that you keep the balance low on your credit cards, like literally keep the balance low. I tell people I like 10%. 5% is even better, but 10%, if y'all just do that with y'all utilization, y'all gonna be good. Remember, we want to make sure, I don't even know if I told you guys this, maybe you watched me before, but I always say pay your statement balance by your due date, so they never charge you interest on your credit cards. If you're doing that, they're never going to charge you any interest on your credit cards. But sometimes, even if you pay your statement balance by the due date, you still owe some money. So make sure that you keep that utilization at that 10% after you do that. Okay, and if it's lower than the 10%, it's even better. Okay, so make sure you keep your utilization as low as you can. 30%, y'all gotta think about the 30% mark. Some people are like, oh, I thought it was supposed to be 30%. 30% is just making sure that it don't damage your credit. Think about it as 30% is like, if you keep it under 30%, like, oh, my utilization at 29%. Just think about it as we're just maintaining your credit. They're not going to take points from you, and they're not going to add points from you. They literally maintaining it. But once you go over that 30% utilization, it's really hurting y'all. So y'all want to make sure that y'all utilization for sure is under that 30%. So if y'all know y'all got 90% utilization, 100% utilization, y'all use that tracker that I told you guys, and then actually bring it down slowly. So if you at 100%, bring it down to 90%, bring it down to 80%. Just have certain goals. And y'all can also, on the tracker, you'll have overall utilization. So with the overall utilization, you can say, okay, I'm at overall utilization of 50%. Let me get it down to 40% or 45% overall utilization. It's just going to depend because some people can have 100% utilization, but they got $100,000 worth of credit cards. They got $70,000, $50,000. But some people can have 100% utilization, but they got one $300 credit card. Like, you can literally pay that credit card off and be at 0% with $300 payment. So there is a difference. So everybody's going to pay theirs at different rates. But let me teach you all my trick when it comes down to utilization. We're going to talk about this more tomorrow, but I figure I'll just start it now. because I'll make sure I have a few numbers listed so you guys can understand your overall utilization. So to figure out what's the 10% number, which is what I always want to know, this is what the number, this is the number after we figure out what the 10% is, this is the number it needs to say my balance is on my credit card, this or less. So say if you got $1,000 credit card or any number that you have, 1,000, 100, 10,000, all you gotta do is take the last digit off. So all of these had a 0 as the last one. So literally 1,000, 1000. All you have to do is take that last digit off. You'll be left with 100. So $100, that's what the balance needs to be, $100 or less to have that 10% utilization. I love to use a tracker, but I always like to know this simple math in my head so that when I look at some people's credit cards, I'm like, okay, you need to bring this down to this. And they're like, how you figure it out? Just take the last number off. Like literally just take the last number off. Aim to bring it down to this number. And then whatever that number is. So say if we did have $1,000 balance on $1,000 credit card, it's just maxed out. We'll say, okay, we need to get it down to $100 or less. We're gonna just take a year to get this done. We're not gonna rush it, depending on what your financial situation is. So what we're gonna do is we just gonna divide this by 11. We're gonna divide it by 10, and then every month you just make sure that you make that payment. Your balance on your credit card should be going down. Okay, so you pay the minimum plus whatever the minimum is. You can just pay $100 to easily cover that minimum. But again, we should have auto pay for our minimum payment anyway. So let them take the auto pay for the minimum and then just pay that little extra you're going to pay. Okay. But that's what utilization is. Utilization, y'all, it's going to really hurt you. So we got individual utilization on each of our credit cards where we say, oh, the utilization is 50%, we're 60%. We got individual utilization. And then we have overall utilization on all of our credit cards where they add up all of our credit cards, all of our credit limits, and then they figure out what's our utilization from that, okay? So that's all I want to talk about for utilization right now. Make sure you guys take full advantage. And then I'll see you all tomorrow for day 30.